Perfect.
Back to another SJC video. Today we're going to be making barbecue.
These are gonna be some oven baked chicken wings, and these are the drumettes here. The rest of the ingredients will be sent by Cindy.
The ingredients are black pepper, garlic, salt, ketchup, oil, barbecue sauce, honey, and chicken.
So these are the chicken drumettes again. These are approximately 2 pounds, and the ingredients will, as always, be in the description box below.
First I'm going to mix the salt and the black pepper together. And then I'm going to get the garlic and mix it up with the mixture. And make sure you mix the salt and the black pepper before you mix the garlic.
So now I'm going to be adding the oil onto the chicken, and make sure you toss it after. Toss it very well.
And I'll be working on the barbecue sauce that will be coating the chicken. So you want to have your honey, ketchup, and barbecue sauce on a very decent sized pot on a low to medium simmer.
And this is how the the black pepper, the salt, and the garlic are mixing. Looks like this.
You're gonna preheat your oven to 440 degrees. This is the chicken pan that we're gonna use to make the chicken. I don't want to make my sauce yet because it will become cold before the actual chicken is ready.
So now I already added these inside. I'm going to use my gloves to mix them around. And you want to make sure to be gentle with it, or the chicken will come off of the bone and then you just have chicken pieces instead of drumsticks. Now I'm going to put these chicken onto the pan on a roll. You want to make sure that none of the stuff goes to waste. Okay.
Make sure that your parents are there present with you putting the chicken in the oven, because Gail just wanted to hear. So that's why Mom is behind the camera.
Perfect.
Oh, now you want to set your timer for 1 hour.
Sam was now going to set the timer to 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, we're supposed to flip the wings. The 20 minutes are up and we're going to flip the wing.
Other side. And whenever they're sizzling in the oven, they're supposed to be doing that. So don't be scared.
And now we're going to place it back for another 20 minutes.
So that was for 20 minutes.
Now we're starting the sauce. Like a boss. So I'm gonna first start off with the barbecue sauce.
And make sure not to start off with the honey because it'll probably get stick to the pan.
Next, adding the ketchup. And finally, adding the honey. And then you want to lower the heat down to low. And mix.
So this is the barbecue sauce. And the timer for the wings are already done. I'm gonna pour this over here. I'm pouring it here so it is safer to brush.
Now you want to coat one side of the chicken. So you want to do that first.
I'm now brushing the sauce onto the wings.
So now after you're done putting the coat on both sides of the chicken, on all the chicken, then you're going to put it back in the oven for 2 minutes. It is now well coated. Now it's gonna go back in for 2 minutes. We made some delicious oven-baked chicken wings with some dinner rolls, ranch, and water. It's gonna taste good.
And as you can tell, I'm ready.
Thank you guys for watching this SJC video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Make sure.
See you guys in the next one.
Peace!